To Suzie and Lucas, you are invited to my birthday party this Saturday at 11:30 a.m. The theme will be unicorns and maybe bats, because I like bats. But there should be robots and puppies too. There will be cake and lots of party lights. See you soon. Suzie, Lucas, are you two ready? The invitation said that the party starts at 11:30. We'll be leaving soon. Lucas, where is your sister? Oh, she's assembling her gift. I have an idea. Let's check on your math skills while we wait for her. It should be fun. Your sister Suzie has a box containing 80 beads. A quarter of them were blue. She put some more blue beads into the box. In the end, 5/6 of the beads in the box were blue beads. How many blue beads did she put into the box? Too confusing? Okay then. How about we do this step by step? There's a lot going on here, which can make it hard to understand. That's because we don't have a clear strategy. This is where the ACE technique comes to the rescue. It helps us organize everything in one easy table. A is for add first, C is for change, and E is for end. Let's start with add first. Your sister Suzie has a box containing 80 beads. A quarter of them were blue. The question tells us that a quarter of the beads are blue.
Dad, I know that 1/4 of the beads are blue, but what about the rest?
If we scan through the question, we don't see any other colors mentioned. So it's not important for us to know what kind of colors they are, and we can just call them others. Also, did you realize that there's 3/4 of them?
Oh, now I do.
And that's good. Let's put this information under add first, wherein 1 unit will represent the blue color, and 3 units will represent the colors of the other beads. Now that we've filled in add first, let's move on to C, change. Now comes change. Let's begin by putting the labels of blue and others under it, and then take another look at the question. She put some more blue beads into the box. Aha! It tells us that there is a change involved with the blue beads, but it does not tell us how many. So let's use a question mark to show the change for the blue beads. Since the question did not mention any change in the other colors, we can say that there is no change to the number of beads of other colors. Now that we are done with change, let's move on to the final one, which is end. Are you following so far, Lucas? That's good. For end, let's look through the question once more. In the end, 5/6 of the beads in the box were blue beads. How many blue beads did she put into the box? Now it tells us that 5/6 of the beads in the box were blue. Let's mark this under end, wherein blue is represented by 5 units. Since blue takes up 5/6, that means the other colors make up 1/6. So under end, we'll use 1 unit to represent others. And there you go! You've successfully used the ACE technique. Next, we'll use the table created to determine how many blue beads are put into the box. When we look at the change column, it says there's no change for others. But if we compare at first and end, the number of units don't match yet. Before moving on, we need to make sure the others really remains unchanged. To do that, we make the units representing others the same by finding the common multiple of 1 and 3, which is 3. Since we multiply 1 unit by 3, we do the same for 5 units. Now the others' values in at first and end match, so we can confirm there's truly no change. Now all that's left is to figure out how many blue beads Suzie added. To do that, we need to give each unit a value. To assign a value, you need to use one that's from the question. We will use 80, the total at the beginning. Okay, let's look at the units we have at first. We have 1 unit and 3 units, so that makes 4 units total. you should be able to see how 4 units is 80 beads. So if 4 units equals 80 beads, then 1 unit equals 20 beads. You will notice that at first, the number of blue beads was 1 unit, while the number of blue beads at end was 15 units. We can now make the connection that the change was an increase of 14 units. And by multiplying 14 with 20, that gives us a total of 280 beads. Oh, you're finished! We didn't notice you there. Lucas and I were just catching up on his math skills. And I see that you finished your friendship bracelet. Very good! Now grab your hats and let's go! It's time to party!
Thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Found this video useful? Give us a thumbs up and check out more by clicking the links here. You can also subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Until next time, stay curious inside and limitless outside. Bye!